Today's lesson is a unique lesson. The goal for today is we want to be able to upload a YouTube lesson. Now, give a reason for an example of why that would be something that we would want to look into. Is let's say you know you're going to be absent and you want to basically develop a lesson for the students not to miss out. You could pre-record a lesson the day before or the day or the night that you know on the night before you're going to be absent. You can pre-record a lesson, upload it to YouTube, and the students can basically sit back, do the lesson, and then do some sort of handout related to the lesson you develop. That's just a simple example of why this would be a good, valuable tool to have in the tool belt. So the goal is, how do you do something like that? How do you record a lesson? Well, what you would have to have is some sort of recording program. We happen to have them on the school district computers. If you go to the Start menu and you go to Programs, and underneath Programs, you would go to where it says Smart Technologies, and under Smart Notebook, you see this thing called Smart Recorder. If you click that, what that would do is open up this screen, this window, and when you're ready to record, you push the record button, which I have done, and I'm recording this lesson for you to be able to replicate on the school computer. You do need a microphone, and the microphones are available from the special education department because they have a ton of these microphone headsets being used for students in special education. So you could borrow a microphone from them. You'd hook it up to the outlet, the plug-in, where I think it's the pink goes in the microphone and the green goes into the headset plug-in. And what you would do is you basically would record a lesson. So let's say I wanted to talk about anything. I mean, I would have a PowerPoint lesson set up. I could open up a PowerPoint. I could show, for example, I'll show you my AP Chemistry website and discuss with the kids that this is what they would have to do for homework. So if I click my AP Chemistry website and type in my login, this is my AP Chemistry website. Let's give you an idea. And I could tell my AP class that I'm out today and what exactly I want them to do for homework. So it would open up my AP Chemistry website, which has a calendar, and explain to them what on the calendar do I want them to complete. And this is what my AP Chemistry website has, these links right now, which we're working on reviewing for the AP, and these are links that we are going over in class and assigned for homework, and also interactive material that the kids do for homework, which they access from home. Then once I have this recording, okay, I'm going to click stop, and when I click stop, what will happen, it will ask me what do I want to do with this recording. I would save it as a file onto a thumb drive or into anywhere on your desktop, and then part two will be how do you upload that recording to YouTube.